In this video, we'll guide you on how to find the recycle bin in the Facebook app. If you find this guide helpful, please give it a like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Let's get started. To locate the recycle bin, start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the menu icon. This will be at the bottom right or top right, depending on your device. Next, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap on Settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down to the Your Activity section and tap on Activity Log. At the top of the activity log, you'll see the Recycle Bin option. Tap on it to view the content you've moved to the bin. Here, you'll find items stored for up to 29 days before they're permanently deleted. If you want to recover an item, simply select it and tap Restore at the bottom. And that's it. You now know how to access the recycle bin in Facebook. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like it and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.